Okay, let's talk about this major weather emergency brewing in the Bay of Bengal.
So, a huge cyclonic storm, Montha, is getting stronger and heading right for India's east coast.
So, the big question is, how are these coastal states getting ready for what's coming?
Let's track this thing's path. You can see it's moving fast and just getting stronger. And get this, we're talking about some serious power. Winds gusting up to 110 kilometers per hour. And it's not just one state's problem. This is going to affect a huge stretch of the coast. You can see here how the warnings are different from state to state. It really shows you the scale.
All right, let's focus on Andhra Pradesh. They're pretty much in the direct path of this thing.
Their chief minister has one single, urgent goal for everyone: 0 casualties, no loss of life.
And to make that happen, they've got a whole action plan rolling out. Check this out.
Now, what about neighboring Odisha? They're not getting a direct hit, but they're still in for a fight. In fact, they've marked 8 southern districts as red zones. They're expecting some really heavy rain there. So, just like Andhra, Odisha is throwing everything they've got at this to protect people.
But what does this all mean for daily life? Well, everything is basically coming to a standstill. Just look at this number. Over 21,000 fishing boats are now stuck in harbors.
Yeah, it's a huge contrast. All the usual coastal business and fun completely stopped.
And for a lot of people, this storm is bringing back some really traumatic memories. Specifically, they remember Cyclone Montha from 2014. It just wrecked the city, as you can see.
This quote from a local really says it all. It explains why everyone's taking this so seriously.
So what's the takeaway here? It's this massive, coordinated response to a huge natural threat.
And all this really leaves you with one big question for the future, right?